throwing that dirt all on my name. Cause you knew that I'd call you up. You can go around every party in LA. Cause you knew that I'd be at one. Oh, I know that trust is coming, feel regret. Got me thinking back when you were born. And now I'm all upon you, what you expect? Should I come in home with me tonight? You just want attention, you don't want my heart. Baby, you just hit that for me with someone new. Yeah, you just want attention, I knew from the start. You're just making sure I'm right here for you. You just want attention, you don't want my heart. around throwing that dirt all on my name. Cause you knew that I knew that I knew that I'd call you up. Baby, another way, right here, standing face to face. You already know that you would. Oh, I know that stress is gonna regret. Yeah, got me thinking back when you were mine. Got me thinking back when you were mine. I won't pull up on you, shouldn't expect it. Should have come in home with me tonight. You just want attention, you don't want my heart. Baby, you just hit that one with someone else. Yeah, you just want attention, running from the stress. You're just making sure I'm fine. You just want attention, you don't want my heart. Baby, you just hit that one with someone else. Yeah, you just want attention, running from the stress. You're just making sure I'm fine.
There's something so special about you and me, babe. You got me feeling fine. So just say the words, cause you know what it means to me, babe. When you got me feeling right, feeling right. When you got me feeling right. You got me. I know that there's something so special about you and me, babe. You got me feeling fine. So just say the words, cause you know what it means to me, babe. When you got me feeling right. When you got me When you got me
fast car. I want a ticket to anywhere. Maybe we can make a deal. Maybe together we can get somewhere. Oh, any place is better. Starting from zero, got nothing to lose. Maybe we'll make something. But me, myself, I got nothing to prove. You got a fast car, and I got a plan to get us out of here. Been working at the convenience store. Managed to save just a little bit of money. Won't have to drive too far. Just across the border and into the city. You and I can both get jobs and finally see what it means to be living. You got a fast car, but is it fast enough so we can fly away? We gotta make a decision. We leave tonight or live and die this way.